Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we unpair guy phone Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone device. Friends, you want to unpair your phone Wi-Fi network. So how can you unpair it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we unpair phone Wi-Fi network. Friends, friends, first of all open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone Wi-Fi setting and tap here to unpair your phone Wi-Fi network. So which network guys you have paired, friends, you can see here. So I want to unpair, so I will press on Wi-Fi and guys I will click on the forget option to unpair. After unpair guys we cannot use the Wi-Fi network. If we use, so we will have to enter password again, this 5G network password. So like that guys we can unpair guys phone Wi-Fi and we will off Wi-Fi. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.